lens, like on the data sheet, it's assuming it's used in this geometry, where like collimated light comes in, the light's focused to a point, and the numerical aperture n sine alpha is defined in terms of this angle here. Right? We're looking one focal length away. But the way we've got our system set up, we're trying to image the arc onto the slit, either filling the width of the slit or filling the height of the slit. And so there's an imaging, the thin lens equation tells us if we have a certain object distance and a certain image distance, we're going to get a certain magnification. And you can work out what magnification you need to fill the width or the height from the arc, okay? From that, if you know the focal length of the lens that you've chosen, you can work out what that object and image distance are. Now, notice that the angle subtended is going to be different on the image side than it is on the object side.
But it's the same on the
But it should be the same here as it is over here. Okay, so you're trying to match these two things, but the angle that you need here, alpha 2, is going to be less than this alpha, meaning
because it's not from the focal.
because it's not from the focal length. So you're going to need to choose a lens that has a specified numerical aperture that's greater than sine of alpha 2, because you're going to use it from further away. Okay, so that was one thing that I was mentioning before, but the picture I think hopefully helps make that clearer. But then the other thing is, yeah, if it turns out that your lens is bigger than you need, you can always just
It goes up when you flip.
take an iris, they're cheap, but they're still a metal hole of certain size and stick it in front
And
of
we
the
should
lens.
be considering that the clear aperture of that lens is 80% of the given diameter.
We don't need to, I didn't.
Oh, it gives us a clear
Okay.
aperture.
That's fair. I mean, it's true that you don't generally use the edges of the lens because the coating doesn't always go to the edge. That's just, it's another reason why choosing a larger lens than is necessary and then stopping it down is a reasonable, sensible thing to do.